Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick review about this powerful website called Proton Pass. So let's dive into a comprehensive review to see if the Proton Pass is the secure password manager you've been searching for in 2025. So let's get started. What is Proton Pass? Imagine you have a lot of keys for different websites and apps. It can be hard to remember them all right. Proton Pass is like a special digital keychain. It helps you create strong and unique password for all your online accounts. It's also an app you can use on your phone. Plus, it has a browser extension for your computer browser. This extension helps you log into website easily. It can even autofill your username and password for you. Think of it as a free password manager that keeps all your online accounts safe and make it easy to access them. Now, talking about the key important features about this platform, Proton Pass has some really cool tools that make managing your password easy and safe. So these features go beyond just remembering your login. They give you an extra way to protect yourself online. So let's check out some of the best Proton Pass can do, which is let's check out the best thing the Proton Pass can do. So one of these features is allies. It comes with a allies features together with a pass monitors. Imagine having a guide dog for your password. This kind of what pass monitor does is that it keep an eye on no data breach. Also, if any of your saved passwords showed up in a leak, Proton Pass will tell you right away. This lets you quickly change your password and protect your account before anyone else can get in. It also comes with an extra security and a pass sharing with a file attachment. So talking about the pricing plan, we have the different range of pricing plan starting from the Proton free plan to a pass plus and a pass family together with a Proton unlimited. So each and every plan has a specific features which makes this plan works perfectly fine and okay. So if you want more information about their features that is enlisted on each plan, you can have to visit the website to check more about the pricing plan and the special features that is being listed on each and every plan to decide which one works best for you. Thanks.